What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Orozco's Kitchen. Let's go ahead and let's make some Philly cheesesteaks on the Blackstone. Let's go. Here's some of the ingredients we're going to be using. Some ciabatta bread, some bell peppers, we got our mushrooms, we got our sliced beef, some Lawrys, some chimichurri, onion, got our oil there, and that's about it. And we got our little cleaver there. So let's go ahead and chop it up. And as always, all these ingredients will be listed down below in the description. Let's go. All right, guys, I got this new cutting board from Kyoku. Check it out. Nice little butcher block. So now that this is all conditioned up, I'm just gonna give it a little wipe. I'm gonna start cooking on it. If you guys are interested in this board here, it'll be down below in the description. All right, so we're gonna chop up some bell peppers for our Philly cheesesteaks. As always, let's go ahead and gut these things. And I love this knife, man. This is just a cleaver knife. Always gets the job done. Super sharp. Let's go ahead and remove this stuff. Boom. Boom. Okay. All right. Got our bell peppers all ready to go. How we did it last time. We're gonna hook it up this time the same way. Just throw it in our little tray here. Boom, that's it. If you have a little towel, just wipe it down. Let's do our onion. Chop that. Cut that in half. Slide those all in. Cool. Now we're ready to go. Oh, I actually ran out of gas on my freaking Blackstone, so I'm gonna just be doing it on the skillet, which is perfectly fine. Done a lot of stuff on the skillet before, so I'm gonna go ahead and chuck our onions in here, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix in my bell peppers too. And this thing's not too hot yet, but it's getting there. And it will get there as soon as I close this lid. Throw some bell peppers in here. All right. Good to go on this one. And all I really did was put oil and Lawrys. Freaking love Lawrys, dude. Keep it real simple. All right, so let's go ahead and cook these up. We'll take them out, cook our steak, and we'll build our sandwich. All right. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give this steak a little oil. Hit it with some steak seasoning right now while our veggies are cooking. Montreal is the way to go. Hit it on thick. We're gonna mix this in right now. This is all from Trader Joe's as usual. I use the same packaging to marinate it in, nice and seasoned up. And that's really all we're gonna add to it. I'm not gonna go crazy with it today. We're gonna check on our veggies here. And they're looking pretty good, smelling good. Give this thing a nice little toss here. All right. Not quite ready for those mushrooms yet, but I'm gonna let this thing go a little bit longer. I'll cut some of this bread. It's 3 of us, so we're gonna make 3 of these slices here. I'm gonna throw some of our mushrooms in here. We're gonna mix in the mushrooms because the onions and bell peppers are almost done. And then we'll pull it out. All right, so our ciabatta bread's gonna go on the smoker at that high heat, but first we wanna oil them because you really wanna crunch up this bread because ciabatta bread, when it's nice and toasted, tastes that much better. And we're gonna be putting a lot of sauce and other stuff in it, so we don't want it to deteriorate. All right, we're gonna put our breads that are nice and oiled right here and go get our veggies off. All right, if you're gonna be doing this, make sure you're able to hold this and not burn yourself. All right, I'm just gonna pour this in. You can do it with the rag, just do a double rag. All right, now we got that off. That's a little oil in there. And throw our meat. Let this thing get cooking. We'll check on it in a few minutes. Some of those peppers, we're just gonna keep them outside for now because we don't want them to get overcooked. I'm just gonna place them right over here next to our bread. Now that the meat's almost pretty much done, I'll go ahead and throw my breads in here. Let these things start toasting up. Oh, it's time to toast these up on the inside and then add some cheese. So we're gonna move our skillet just to the side there. And we're gonna open up our breads, let them do its thing. You wanna keep flipping this thing so it doesn't burn your bread. Especially if you're cooking on open fire, keep flipping them. That's how we do it around here. Look guys, if you're not subscribed to Orozco's Kitchen, what are you waiting for? We're always cooking some new stuff on here. Recipes that people have done with a little twist. And just copying some recipes or doing some of my mom's recipes or some bomb barbecue. But we're always cooking back here. If you guys are interested, I'm going to be building up my own barbecue kitchen in the backyard with my brother. So stay tuned and follow the progress of that because it's going to be really dope. I think you guys will like it. Meat is pretty much done. It's nice and tender. As you can see, that's what we want. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and pull these breads off, put some cheese on them, put them back, and then we'll start prepping our sandwich. We've got our breads all here. We're going to hit it with some provolone, like this. All right. What we're gonna do is just flip it and we're gonna put it back into the grill just to get it nice and cheesy before we start preparing our sandwiches. We want it to start to stick so we can put our meats on there. So this is the way you want to do it. All right. Very cheesy, guys. Everyone does this different. This is the way I'm gonna do mine. So like I said, my Blackstone was out, so this is the way we're gonna do it. Get those bad boys on there. Let this cheese melt a little bit. All right, guys, if you're wondering what's going on, I'm pretty much putting the bell peppers and onions back into the smoker and then putting it all together and letting it warm up for a couple minutes before I build my sandwich. Hit it with some meat first. Just like this. And then we're gonna hit it with some veggies. All right. Back into the smoker. All right, let's that thing cook up for a second. Give them a little flip. What we want to do is have that cheese melt. When we open it, it's nice and cheesy. All right, sandwich is all done. I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. First, we're gonna give it a cut. Oh, dude, check that out. All right, so what we're gonna do with this sandwich here, put some chimichurri on it, give it a try. Open this thing up, the chimichurri sauce, add a little bit of that. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and give this sandwich a try. Got the chimichurri in there. Look at that. Mmm. Oh man. Mmm. That's really good, dude. Oh wow. Mmm. You gotta try this, dude. This sandwich looks good. You're definitely gonna like this. Next video, click up here. See y'all in the next video.